Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this amazing product introduction animation in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened a new video Canva. So the first thing what I need to change the color to any. So like, now it's this blue. Next thing what I need, I'm going to the elements and looking for blob, going to the graphics and looking for any blob that is looking good for our product, our animation. Whatever you would like to use, you can just use one. Try to find the one with maybe this one is good. First of all, I need to change the color to black, and we can rotate. Yeah, maybe to rotate even further. This part looks really good, so I need to this. Yes. Maybe even more. Yeah. This shape looks good. So I just need to add to somewhere. And the next thing, just zooming out, duplicate this blob, changing the color to the original one, like this. And just zooming back to the normal one. And we need to add the products what we would like to animate. I just add this name sneaker what was in before, like this. Positioning, layers, and just moving between the two blobs. And now I just duplicate this page, and the second page I just moving this blob to here, even further, like this, like I'm moving back through, and here we just change the size and moving to it here. It's important. Is it also in the middle? And here layers, this is also in the middle. It's important in this case the movement will be in a straight line. So I just hovering the mouse between the two pages, add transition, match and move, increasing the size to 2.5, and now as you can see the blob from the top is moving to the left, how I like, and the shoe is moving out from the hidden part, which is actually looks like that the shoe is moving from this from this hole, which is, I think that's a pretty amazing and really small trick, but make this animation it's amazing. Of course, we can add also some text around, which is like the text is just moving from here to somewhere to the corner or bottom, and if you just made it a bit smaller and maybe it's moving from the middle to the bottom. But now I just would like to show you this video in this small example. I don't want to create a full video for these products. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find a bunch of another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for different kind of AI tools. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find the link in the description. In the description, you can find also the links for my Instagram and TikTok pages, where you can find lots of short tutorials about Canva, so please feel free to also check them. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.